Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. I think in one of the interpretation or jurisprudence questions, it was put as a question. Yes, I think part C. Right, one way, essay question. Whether you can allege corruption in the judiciary. Whether any person can allege corruption in the judiciary. For that, at that time we have written answers also. So very good statement by Shanti Bhushan, father of Prashant, present advocate Prashant Bhushan. His name is Shanti Bhushan. He was law minister also. He said, some of the judges are corrupt and I will prove them. Some judges in the Supreme Court. Justice Markandeya Kadju, he also commented regarding the corruption in the judiciary. Likewise, there may be allegations of corruption, but should be specified. But there is an area, vigilance department is there. If you level allegations against a particular judicial officer, definitely they will take action. But the point here is whether you can level allegations, bold allegations of corruption against judiciary or not. Certainly no, and it will be highly deprecated and the court will take it as a contempt. Here, such thing has happened before the Delhi High Court. Justice Suresh Kumar Kait and Justice Shailendra Kaur, they have took it suo motu. That is, the court on its own motion versus Brijesh Shukla. This is a contempt case in the High Court of Delhi. So, on 5th December 2023, they have decided the case. So, please remember, this is a contempt case number 16 by 2019. You can read the case as Court on its own motion versus Brijesh Shukla. Honorable Justice Suresh Kumar Kait and Honorable Mr. Justice Kaur, he is Shailendra Kaur. Of course, they have exonerated him. Why? So, before that, let us know the facts of the issue. Please remember, the respondent, that is Brijesh Shukla, he attended the court and actually he stated that he was working as a contractor for the Fiji Govt, Fiji Islands, FIJI. So he was a contractor for the Fiji Govt and actually his payment was due from the Fiji Govt. So therefore he approached Angelic International Limited, which assured him that he would get the amount from the Fiji Govt. But instead of depositing the amount, please remember, from the Fiji Govt, instead so-and-so, they misappropriated the same. This Angelic International Limited, who are the, I think we can say that they are brokers. They have knocked away the government. And later, the company, they filed a suit against the so-called Brijesh Shukla, right? Ultimately, the decree was given against them, but ultimately the court declared that the Fiji government need not pay anything to him. He got frustrated. He said, all the corrupt officers, even the judiciary, they did not give me the order. So all the corrupts are corrupt. Like that he commented in the open court. It was taken very seriously and a contempt notice was given to him. This matter is relating to 2019. Of course, he has appeared as party in person. He did not believe any lawyer. He did not engage any lawyer. I can say like that. He was party in person. And he stated when the contempt occurs, just like in the frustration I have spoken like that because justice was not done to me. That's why I have been always telling you, please be cautious. What is justice? It is a eulogical approach. That means you can't define correctly what justice means. We know being fair, as per law being fair. But suppose if a man loses case, what he says? He says justice is not done to me. If a man wins the case, he says justice is not done to me. this happens. So justice in eulogical aspect, elusive aspect. So please remember here. So please remember, he is 14 person. He is a graduate in mechanical engineering. He worked as contractor in so many places. But during his, when he started his own business, when he went to Fiji Islands, he could not get his due amounts. So therefore, from 2012 to 2022, he has been suffering from depression due to the loss suffered by him. In that depression, he has uttered, or he has stated that, please remember, he corrupt judiciary corruption. There is corruption in the judiciary. Right? Then, the respondent clearly stated that in a state of frustration, he commented like that, and he doesn't know that this will lead to the complaint. So, please remember, ultimately, in view of the apology, he has given an unconditional apology. In view of the apology, the petition was disposed and he was discharged from the contempt proceedings. So, actually, at the time, we could not file any cases. This will be in re, at least the contempt case. So, in the next semester, that is 6th semester, the people who see this video, please alert me. I will explain in detail in that particular class. Because next, I think 13th or 11th, the final year students are coming, and we have to be taught the so-called professional ethics, in which definitely this thing also will come. Right? So with this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.